Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace your toilet seat lid and your toilet flush handle. When you buy your lid, it normally comes with two PVC screw bolts and nuts. This is a standard toilet seat that I'm using, and it's very easy to install, replace or remove for cleaning. When you turn over the lid, you'll find a place to insert the screw bolt. Just make sure the two screws are aligned. This will make sure that when you place the the cover on the bowl, it will be so easy to insert it. And that's basically it. So finally, to secure the lid, you're going to use your screw nut to tighten the lid. And there you have it, your new toilet seat. Next, I'm going to show you how to replace your broken toilet flush handle. You can get the handle kit at the hardware store. They come in different types depending on your budget. To remove the old toilet handle, you'll have to open the toilet tank lid to be able to reach the broken handle. Insert the new handle and make sure to tighten it using the rubber washer and the nut. After you have properly secured the handle, there is a wire hooked attached to the pump. Hook it with the lever and adjust until it can flush with ease. Then secure it to place using a screw and a screwdriver. And there you have it, your working flush handle.